Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am here, you guys, for another video. Today I'm going to be doing, of course, another wig video. As you can see with my bald cap. Girl, look at this. We're gonna get there one day. This is probably like my second or third time trying this, so practice makes perfect. Like, it's not as easy as they say on all the YouTube videos that do that. So yeah, let's keep it real, okay? This ball cap method is not the easiest thing. You need to practice at it. Anyways, so Unice is a wig company. They're on AliExpress. Of course, I got mine from Amazon. They sent me this wig to try and show you guys and give you my thoughts and views on it. So that is the wig I will be showing you guys today. Y'all hear that honking? I'm trying to make a video, sir. Sir! Whew. Anywho, if you are a why can't I get that saying right? If you are a returning subscriber, how are you? It's nice to see you. I've missed you. If you are a new subscriber, my name is Keisha. I do reviews, vlogs on lifestyle, beauty, health, all that good stuff. And makeup. I almost forgot makeup videos. So welcome to my channel. Definitely subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so when I post new videos and more wig videos, you will be notified when they are posted. Girl, that's a rant. It's a whole rant. So yeah, guys, let's get into this video. Okay, so let's talk about the wig. The wig that I got from Unice store on Amazon, it is a 14-inch burgundy T-part lace closure human hair wig. So it's T-part means it's strictly the middle part is where the lace is, and that's all you can part it is in the middle. That's it. There is no baby hairs on the side or nothing like that. Like, you could try to do that, I guess, but for the most part, it's in the middle. It's a middle part wig. It's 150 density, and like you said, I got the 14-inch. On the website, it says it's a 99J color. To me, that's like a dark burgundy reddish color. You know, it's super dark. This wig did not look like that to me. Okay, not to say I don't like the color, I do, but it is definitely not as dark as 99J. So I'm gonna show you guys the wig. So this is the wig, you guys, and I'm gonna have the video below. See how, look at that, look how bright that is. Does that look like 99J? That does not look like 99J at all. I'm gonna post right here the video of when I got the box, what was in the box, how the wig looked, and I'm gonna give you a close-up right here. You see, this is the T-part lace, that middle part I was talking about, and here's the front lace. So that's all you got. It does come with the standard 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back. It also has the adjustable band strap in the back. I don't know if it's a parade, a funeral, or what is going on out there. Like, can you stop hunking, please? Anyways, yeah, and that's just the standard wig that you receive. This is the color. It's 14 inches. I would have preferred a longer wig, but y'all, this is what I got. This is what I was offered, so this is what I got. And this is definitely not 99J, but I do like the color. I like the red. I like that it's a brighter red. But they definitely need to like change it and be like, this is the actual color, because it's not a deep burgundy red to me at all. So I'm just gonna throw this on. I did kind of adjust it a little bit, and I flat-ironed it a little bit. I didn't cut the lace yet, but I'm gonna come back and cut the lace and show you guys. So this is what it looks like when it's on. I don't know why it kind of reminds me of like clown hair. I don't know. What? So this is the lace. I mean, this is the wig. It's 14 inches. It comes like right here right above my boobs. This is what it looks like on. Trying to get all the hairs out of my face. I just wanted to, before I did any adjustments to the wig, I wanted to show you to you guys in real time. So you see like this middle part with the lace. And then I do like this wig. I definitely feel like it's, I don't know if it's layered or what, but there are some short pieces, especially on the top. You see that? That I'm like, okay, what's up with that? That's one thing I'm like, is it supposed to be layered? Or is it just not all? Because it all should be this length right here, not shorter pieces on the top. So, that's questionable about that. But other than that, I really do like the wig. It's soft, it feels good. Like I said, I flat ironed it already. So, excuse me, my nose is itching. It definitely feels like, you know, the standard soft hair wig. I do like this color though. Look at this. It's okay. I could dig this color though. Like, I wouldn't even want the 99J. I would want this color. Whatever red color this is the color that I would want. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to come back. I'm going to adjust it a little bit, curl it a little bit, and I'll be right back. And then I will give you my final thoughts on this wig.
146 minutes later.
So I'm back, and this is the final results of the wig. I was not going to show you that process of me curling it because I need to be in front of the mirror, and you know, I had a lot of stuff I need to do. So yes guys, this is the final review of the wig. Yes honey, yes. And it is giving me everything I needed to give. Okay, these hairs could be so annoying. Should have put some spritz on. But so this is the final wig results. I love this wig, you guys. This hair curls so good. Like, it wasn't no, you know, like sometimes it's be like, it takes a couple times that one swipe of a curl with my flat iron, and this curl, it was bomb. So like, this hair really curls really good, and it is just, I love this wig. Like, it's so cute. I'm not a big fan of the T part, but yeah, I recommend, if you could get over the T part, because you only get the parted in one area, and it's the middle, and I do love a good middle part, but I would like to part it in other areas of my, you know, the front of my head as well. But other than that, like, the color is bomb, the hair is soft. Those few pieces I was talking about, I think it's just supposed to give it a layered look, because like, you see when it's curled, it looks so good. So that's why I think it's like that. The color, love the color. It's not a 99J, but it's still a beautiful, beautiful color. It's perfect for spring, summer that's coming up. Like, girl, yes, this wig is going to get you there, okay? You are going to have your hot girl summer with this wig, because it's lit. It's lit, okay? Love it. And y'all, this is just the cutest wig, and I was like skeptical because it wasn't a longer length, but to be honest, with summer coming up, there's a lot of hairs coming in my mouth, but with summer coming up, you really don't, I mean, people do wear long wigs, but let's be real, how long do you wear? Because it be hot already. You got the cap on, you got the wig on, your hair ain't breathing, your scalp ain't breathing, so it be hot. So realistically speaking, a shorter length is probably better anyway, just because the long length, it be hot as heck with the wig already, and then with the added length, you be dying. So yeah guys, I love this wig. Get you one. Like I said, this is Unice hair. It's a T-part burgundy wig, 99J, 14 inches, 150 density. So this is the wig, you guys. that is it for this video. If you like this video, definitely hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell, so you will be updated when I do another wig video, because I do have another wig coming, and I am so excited about this new wig that I have coming. I don't have it yet, but it hasn't shipped yet either, so hopefully it will be on its way soon. Yeah, I will have the link for this and the description of this wig below, so if you want to go ahead and get you one, girl. And if you want to try any of their other wigs, because I'm definitely going to be getting me another wig from them, because like I said, this hair, it's really nice. Okay, this is a nice wig and I love the color. Yeah, that's all for this video. Comment below if you like this wig. What do you think of this color on me, darling? What do you think? Oops, started to sound like Nene Leaks. Comment below if you like this color, if you like this wig, if you wear wigs in general, or just comment below if you like this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for all the support and everything, subscribing to my channel. It really does help me. I'm trying to grow, so it's wonderful. And I will see you guys in the next video.